Okay guys, I am today going to show you how to clean the window from outside, and this is the equipment you can get on Amazon. Okay, this has magnet here and here. If you will put it together, it will just get together because of magnet like this. Okay, guys, I will try to show you the before and after effect. So here it is. I don't know if you are able to see. Let me try to adjust the brightness. Okay, so here it is. It's adjusting brightness. I think you are able to see now. See this one. We will be not able to clean these windows from outside, so I had decided to brought this product. Let's see if we are able to clean this. See this here, right? So it is very dirty, and if I want to clean also, I will be not able to clean this. So actually I had tested this and it worked well. So but we need to have some patience, which I don't have always, but I tried my best. Okay, so it is not looking good. Now from here you can see, right? I think you are able to see. Okay, so let's start. This thing we have with this particular part, and we have to just attach this. You need not to show my face. You can attach this here. You can tie it here. Nice tie here. Okay, so I have attached that one, and this part will go outside like this. You have to put some of the soap here, and this should be nicely wet. Okay, so you have to keep it here like this. It's very simple. See, it is attached now. So close the window now and start your run like this. Okay, so now you can see before and after effect. Clean very nicely. I had made very little efforts, but in that efforts also it's looking very nice. Right guys, so I think this product is useful to you. Only the thing is that you need to have some patience. Okay, bye, enjoy.